to stay, shit that went left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and started a business. Her daddy is not around, her mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and then get sliding down. I make it rain in this bitch, I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix, Shawty is going legit. Shawty is going legit, me I'm supporting this shit. This is a story, came from my life and I'm just recording this shit. I'ma just give it to you direct instead of me throwing this shit. You know you important this shit, you know I'm supporting this shit. We used to do pornos when you would come over, but now you got morals and shit. I got like 4 on the wrist, and an adorable kid. I got the Drake in the studio, and I don't just mean that I'm in this bitch. Please make the most of this shit, don't just come close to some shit. I give you this bread, you run me some head, and they ain't go blow the beat. She moved out of state, and shit that went left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and started a business. Her daddy is not around, her mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and then get I make it rain in this bitch, I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix, Shawty is going legit. Shawty is going legit, me I'm supporting this shit. This is a story, came from my life and I'm just recording this shit. Her daddy's not around, mama is definitely not around. She got a business plan, but she just ain't had time to write it down. Stay with her sister now, she got a man, but he out of town. Soon as he out of town, they hop in his whip and they ride around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and they get to sliding. Thought about trapping and playing before, but that just ain't right now. Look in the mirror if you wanna look at something on the bright side. Apply the 325, you feel too good to word it out. She moved out of state, shit that went left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and started a business. Her daddy is not around, her mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and then get I make it rain in this bitch, I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix, Shawty is going legit. Shawty is going legit, me I'm supporting this shit. This is a story, came from my life and I'm just stay, shit that went left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and started a business. Her daddy is not around,